are sacred and they deserve respect. If you've got the right word, you can nudge to change the word a little. And the word for now is to welcome you back to your favorite show, Yalla Dubai, with me, your host, Sharina Shah. The world's a stage and most of us are desperately unrehearsed. But not for a bunch of actors coming your way, as we take you to meet the very talented and veteran actors Naseeruddin Shah and his wife when they were here in Dubai to do a 5-series play by Simi Events.
Simi Events on a roll bought the 4th act starring legendary actors Naseeruddin Shah and Ratna Pathak Shah with narrative performances in a series of short stories and brought these talented actors to Dubai. Some emotions, some stories, written by highly esteemed Hindi writer Bhisham Sahni, held at the Sheikh Rashid Auditorium Indian High School. The 5 short stories, Oob, Sar Ka Sadka, Dholak, Yadein and Samadhi Bhai Ram Singh, were narrated by 2 notable actors along with the prowess of Yashpal Sharma, Manoj Pava and Hima Shah.
Bhishmotsav consists of 5 stories by Mr. Bhisham Sahni, who was a very prominent writer of the Hindi language and a novelist, historian and a short story writer, and he was also an actor. He acted in the television serial Tamas and he acted in a film called Mohan Joshi Hazir Ho. Uske alawa, he has also written some plays, and he was a great social activist and communist. So these are 5 stories which are completely different from each other. They don't have any common theme. लेकिन पांचों कहानियां जो हैं, they are part of his observation of middle class Delhi behavior. Amusing भी हैं, funny भी हैं, satirical भी हैं और दिल को छूने वाली कहानियां भी हैं. जिनमें से 2 मैं कर रहा हूं. एक है ऊब नाम की कहानी, which is about what goes through the mind of an invigilator during an exam. It's a stream of consciousness kind of writing. And the other is a story called Samadhi Bhai Ram Singh, which is a satire on how religions get created. And it is a sort of a comment on that thing. One story is about 2 lonely old women. One story is about a wedding in the family.
Well, these are not necessarily stories with plots, but they are stories which are incidents, little moments in a life. The story that I'm doing is just as simple. The idea is as simple as this: 2 friends meeting after a very long time, and that's it. क्या होता है जब 2 दोस्त मिल बैठती हैं, किस तरह की बातें होती हैं, etc. So it's just a simple incident like that. But Bhisham Sahni, with his beautiful writing, manages to turn it into a story that stays with you. It lingers because, this is what all of us are going to become. Old and alone. And it really has a very poignant and yet amusing mood.
कहानी है, it's not about a wedding in a family. It's about attitude, or it's about जो हम लोग, जिसे अगर बहुत सिंपल भाषा में कहा जाए कि जो चीज़ हमारे पास होती है हम उसकी कद्र नहीं करते, लेकिन जब बाहर के लोग उस चीज़ को अप्रिशिएट करते हैं तो किस तरह से हमारे एटीट्यूड बदल जाते हैं. या एक जो कहानी एक लड़के की जो थोड़ा सा गांव से निकल के शहर गया और थोड़ा पढ़ के आ गया, तो उसे लगा कि ये सब जो रिचुअल्स हैं और ये सब चीज़ें जो हो रही हैं ये सब ढकोचले हैं और ये सब, लेकिन जब कुछ दूसरे लोग, बाहर से आए हुए लोग जब उस चीज़ की उसको अप्रिशिएट करते हैं और वो किस तरह से वो बदलता है उसका एटीट्यूड, तो ये एक बड़ा एक सिंपल एक स्लाइस ऑफ लाइफ का एक वो बड़ा एक एटीट्यूड का एक वो हिस्सा है और उसके बारे में है. तो बड़ी इंटरेस्टिंग कहानी है, मज़ेदार कहानी है.
की बात करने से पहले मैं भीष्म जी के बारे में बात करना चाहूँगी कि भीष्म साहनी को जितना उनके बारे में कहा जाए उतना कम है. उन्होंने अपनी बहुत ही अलग दृष्टिकोण से हमारी बहुत सारी ऐसी समस्याओं को जो समाज में रहती हैं, जिन्हें हम नज़रअंदाज कर देते हैं, उन्हें बहुत ही खूबसूरत तरीके से उन्होंने अपनी राइटिंग में उसे शामिल किया है और हमारे ऐसे बहुत सारे ऐसे राइटर्स हैं जो इस तरह की बातों को हर बार अपनी राइटिंग में लाते रहे हैं। उसमें से भीष्म जी की ये जो 5 कहानियाँ मैंने चुनी हैं, वो मेरे लिए बहुत बड़ा चैलेंज था, क्योंकि उनकी इतनी सारी कहानियाँ हैं, अनगिनत कहानियाँ, उन्होंने कम से कम नहीं तो 1000 कहानियाँ ऐसी लिखी होंगी। उसमें से 5 कहानियों को चुनना बहुत मुश्किल था, लेकिन ये कहानियाँ अलग अलग तरीके की हैं। जैसे ये नसीर साहब ने भी कहा, रत्ना जी ने भी कहा कि बहुत ही अलग मिजाज है 5 कहानियों में और अलग मैसेज है।
I like both equally, and I enjoy both equally, but sometimes I have to do movies for the money. I never do plays for the money. I only do plays which I want to do.
It's now time for your well-rehearsed break, coming your way to get you on the other side of your show, only on Yalla Dubai. From the break, we are back to the limelight of your show, Yalla Dubai. So welcoming you back, we take you to an amazing jewelry exhibition event right here in Dubai by the name of Art Carat. So let's take a glimpse of what this event is all about.
Art Carat by Asha Kamal Modi presented the Maratha collection, jewelry inspired by the era of Bajirao Mastani. The exhibition was held at the Taj in the Business Bay area of Dubai and saw a great number of patrons visiting the exhibition.
About 1,000 people working with me as my craftsman, and it's all kind of craftsmen doing different kind of things, because it's a whole chain of events, one person doing something and the other person doing something, and from the moment the idea is conceived till the moment it is ready to be sold, it is a long process, and each piece takes about minimum 15 days to complete. It's a handmade product, it is not machine made. And all the stones we are using semi-precious, precious, base metal is silver, and sometimes we use other metals also. But the idea is to stay very authentic and traditional, and the background is maintained very carefully.
The main goal at Art Carat is to create jewelry that always delights you, jewelry that makes a statement and depicts your personality, something that you would treasure for life, not because it is precious but simply because it's beautiful.
I've known Art Carat for the last, the brand Art Carat for the last 20 years, where I actually did my first fashion show with them. Since we've been in the business of exhibiting, they got in touch with us to host an exhibition for them, and it's our first time in terms of jewelry. We're pretty excited about doing a jewelry show because usually we do clothing, and we're really enjoying it so far. We've had a tremendous response. A lot of traditional, contemporary jewelry, and it's great to have the designer Miss us today.
All were invited to experience this world of beauty and sincerely hoped to enjoy every moment that would indulge yourself in it.
fan of beautiful events, we now take you to a very interesting event by the name of Kitabi, where expats right here in Dubai took up a very good cause and donated books to children in Pakistan. And Yalla Dubai was here to be a part of this amazing event.
The first batch of more than 1,000 books was sent to Pakistan recently with the World Book Day as a part of Kitabi initiative to build libraries there. Kitabi, which means My Book in Arabic, was set up by a group of Pakistanis in Dubai, motivated by UAE, naming 2016 as Year of Reading.
This is the brilliant idea, I think, here in the UAE for the first time. एंड शी इज़ डूइंग अ ग्रेट जॉब और मैं समझता हूँ कि इस तरह के आइडियाज़ हमें सिर्फ यहाँ यूएई के अंदर नहीं, अपने पाकिस्तान के अंदर भी करने चाहिए और जितना भी हम एजुकेशन को फैला सकें अपने मुल्क के अंदर और जितनी भी लाइब्रेरीज़ हम लोग खोल सकें और जितनी भी स्कूल्स हैं, कॉलेजेस हैं, वहाँ तक की किताबें अगर हम पहुँचा सकेंगे, मैं समझता हूँ कि हमारी शायद इसी में जीत है.
The books were sent to Islamabad, Pakistan's capital, and to the library premises donated by former Dubai resident of 20 years Ali Raza Jafri, who now runs a welfare trust. These donated books were academic and non-academic, donated by family, friends and students at American College of Dubai.
This is just to make sure that every child in Pakistan and everywhere, inshallah, we're just gonna do anything and everything to expand it to another respectable level. But we're just focusing Pakistan children right now. We're just trying to make sure that every child in Pakistan holds a book in his hand in order to acquire something, to learn something. So if not anything substantial, no problem, just stories, but at least the language will be better. He's going to be reading and he's going to be asking questions. This word, what does it mean? So he's going to learn.
It's one of those countries where buying book is still a luxury as per the organizers, and here in Dubai, most of the used books are in great shape. It'll be a great gift as per the organizers. Courier TCS Express Worldwide is supporting Kitabi by delivering the books. World Book Day is a perfect opportunity to remember that in many parts of the world, children have little or no access to books and can't develop their reading skills or derive pleasure from reading in the same way what we at Dubai can get.
I would say it's always been in my mind because like I said, I grew up around books and we were never taught to throw away the books, and we were never allowed to burn the books or just sell them or anything. We never believed in book sales. So we were always given away books. And this time around, I just had way too many books. And I just could not find a school, or I could not find people who would take those books. And if you look around the books that we have, they are pretty expensive books. I've bought them from Canada, from the US. I've got them from UK, from all over the world. I've got books from here as well. So I just wanted them to go somewhere where I thought would not only benefit the others, but then it's like Sadka Jariya for everybody.
As per the actor, there are millions of children who cannot even think of having such glossy books in their hands, and these beautiful books would attract them more towards education. Literacy is a major challenge in Pakistan, and an initiative like Kitabi will make a great difference. Kitabi is a non-profit project started by 3 Pakistani expatriates, including Ms. Maha Khan. It aims to establish a library every 100 kilometers in Pakistan, but is reliant on people donating space, books, furniture and everything else needed. This year's World Book Day coincided with 400th anniversary of death of English playwright William Shakespeare.
Little or small, giving a little back to the society is a good gesture on our part. And right now the gesture is to give you a short little break so that we can come back to the other side of our show. Welcome back, and this time welcoming you back is your special dose right here to entertain you. We now take you to Cartoon Art Gallery right here in Dubai.
As you see the name cartoon, we do exhibit and promote cartoon animation and comics, but that doesn't mean that we don't exhibit the other artworks. So we kind of exhibit all kinds of works related to comics and also the other artworks, what you see behind over here. There's watercolors, acrylics, and charcoal. Different types of works have been exhibited over here. Our ultimate aim is to give a platform, professional platform for all the new artists with great skills. Every month we have one day dedicated exclusively for children. So on that particular day we have like two categories, one below 10. They do have the coloring competition, and those about 10 years they have the art competition. So every month the theme will be given, and the kids are free to express their creativity. In future, I want this to be one main hub for creativity. That means anyone is most welcome to come, sit, chill, paint, buy art supplies, and create their own work. And those who wish to learn, this would definitely be a venue for workshops and classes and seminars related to art. And those who wish to showcase their works, it is definitely a destination for you.
Our feelings are always the most purest and the most glowing at the hours of meeting and farewell. But I feel that with us, it's always glowing all clock around. In that deep thought, we must take your leave right now, but do stay connected with us on our social media pages and our YouTube page post-telecast. Goodbye for now from Team Yalla Dubai.